Welcome to Trimbakeshwar, one of the holiest destinations in India and home to Lord Shiva, revered Jyotirlinga. As the sun set over the Sekar town, the atmosphere transforms into something truly magical. Join me as we explore the spiritual and serene evening at Trimbakeshwar temple. Just a short walk from the temple is the Kushavarta Kund, the sacred tank that marks the origin of Godavari river. The calm water and the reflection of the temple light make it more peaceful retreat in the evening. This kund is against the holiest place in Trimbakeshwar, deeply associated with Lord Brahma and the great sage Gautama. According to Hindu legend, this spot is where the sage Gautama performed penance, and it's believed that the water here purifies one's soul. Legend says that the water of the Kushavarta Kund have miraculous healing power. The name Kushavarta is believed to come from the word Kush, which refers to the sacred grass used in Vedic ritual. People believe that bathing here washes away the sin and brings blessings. The significant place goes beyond just its history. It is deeply inviting the spiritual practices. Devotees from across the country come here to take holy dip, especially during the auspicious occasion of the Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated every 12 years. As you can see, the kund itself is surrounded by the stunning carvings, and there are multiple steps leading down to the holy water. The serene atmosphere here is something that truly helps in connecting with one's spirituality. You can simply take the diyas from here for like 10 rupees, just a diya. One of the unique features of this place is the story that the water here comes from the ancient origin of the Godavari river, one of the most revered rivers in India. It flows down to the coast of southern India, but its root, spirituality and geographically starts here. That's my mom doing Abhishek to Shivji Pind near the Kund before we went to Kund for holy dip. Visitors usually take part in the cleansing ritual either by bathing in the Kund or by offering prayer to the deity. For many, it's an emotional and rejuvenating experience if you're visiting here. Also, after bath, you'll soon experience the peaceful energy in the air. Then we enter to Trimbakeshwar temple, and this is the view from inside. It's exactly like Shirdi, but not that long. It's peaceful, no rush, like simply we can sit, then we can stand in the queue. The queue also goes fast. As the day turns into night, Trimbakeshwar temple glows with divine energy. Devotees gather in large number, filling the air with the chant of Om Namah Shivaya and Har Har Mahadev. Inside, phone or camera, clicking picture is not allowed, so this is the outside view. The preparation of the evening aarti begins at the temple. Priests light up the lamp and adorn the sacred Jyotirlinga with flowers, milk and holy water. Evening Aarti in Trimbakeshwar is mesmerizing experience. The sound of conch shell, the rhythmic beats of drums and the flickering flames of the Aarti lamp transport you into a real peace and devotion. This is my first time visiting this temple, so I don't know about daytime, but the temple even looks more enchanting in the evening with its beautifully lit structure standing tall against the backdrop of the Brahmagiri hills. It's a sight that leaves you in awe of divine beauty. The evening visit is not just a visit, it's an experience, a journey into devotion, peace and spirituality. This place leaves you with a sense of fulfillment and inner calm. That's it for today's journey to the Trimbakeshwar temple. If you have enjoyed this spiritual evening with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment what you'd like me to explore next. Until next time, take care and stay blessed. Har Har Mahadev.